Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back in. My name is Mike. This is Hunting for Gills. Got a late start this morning. It was raining, timed it pretty good. The rain was just ending when I got up here. So I'm going to be trying out some of the plastic baits that I made in one of my previous videos. I've got some hand-tied jigs to go along with them. I'll probably be chasing after panfish for the most part, but it is a good bass lake, so I'll probably be flinging some bass baits around later too to see how that goes. So yeah, stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Okay. All right. After a little bit of messing around there, GPS wasn't working on the trolling motor, it wouldn't connect. I think everything's connected now, so get stabilized in the wind here and we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna try one of these little guys here. Camera will get that or not. It's just one of the little jigs that I tied the other day that we'll see how it's gonna work. Well, had a bite on the first cast. I couldn't get them. Pretty weedy out there, so I think we're gonna switch over to a rod with a float on it. Again, this one's tied on a VMC Moon Eye jig, it's a little 16th ounce one. Actually, that might be a 1/32 ounce one. See how it floats with this bobber. We'll take a short commercial break here while I retie this. It's not through the guide. Well, that was just dumb. When I was retying this thing last night, apparently I missed the actual guide and went through the foot of the guide. So that wasn't gonna work out too good. All right, now we're ready. And still managed weeds. And a random stick. That worked. Not a real big one. Actually, it's not too bad. It's not monsters that monster walleyes I was catching in my other videos, but let's see how big this is. It is the right size for eating. It's a 7-inch one, but throw that one back for now. We may keep a few, but it's still early. Well, they're biting, they're just not. They're biting, I ain't catching. Here's another one. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Just these sunfish. So I'd have to say they kind of like my, liking my little Moon Eye jig there. Yeah, maybe we'll keep a few of them. That one's 7.5 inches, so we'll start out with that one. Pretty small, pretty small. Stuck them that time. Feels like a little bit nicer one. And another one for the bucket there. All right, well, we're gonna go try. This is just the first spot to try. I got a couple other spots here. See what we can do. Oh, crap. Well, what the heck? Oh. Well, it's going to be a long or a short day. Looks like we are troller motoring it back. Good thing we didn't go too far, I guess. Well, sorry guys, but that's the way it goes, I guess. Caught a couple fish and I was to toss those back. I don't know what happened. Motor started up, it ran great, and now I hit the key and the gauges move and I'm getting nothing. So I know there's at least one fuse on there. I just checked that. I don't know if the switch is bad. I did get an alarm went off when I first got out here, but everything seemed to be okay then, so I don't know. All right, well, made it back home, ran the trolling motor the mile or so, whatever it was, back to the landing. Got the boat loaded up, messed around with a little bit at the landing. Checked fuses, just obvious stuff like fuses, and wasn't that, so came home pretty bummed out. And yeah, so did what everybody should do, is go to Facebook and YouTube. And first guy to comment on Facebook said, "Oh, just try running the controller from forward, neutral, reverse. Do that a couple times, see what happens." I'm like, well, I don't see how that could work. Apparently it did. I'm still not exactly sure what happened, but yeah, came home, ran the thing through its cycle a couple times. I got in, hit the key one time, and it fired right up. So probably not going back out today. Probably give it another shot. I don't know, maybe sometime this week I'll go out after work. So stay tuned for more misadventures. Thanks for watching.